If you want to treat yourself to some new hair care, I got you. I partnered with Sally Beauty to show you some of their most viral products and why people love them so much. You guys went crazy for this soapbox shampoo. It has biotin in it, so it's meant to help encourage hair growth. And it is currently on sale, so definitely take advantage while you can. You guys know how much I love the Eva NYC therapy session hair mask. If you have bleach damaged hair or just dry hair in general, this stuff is going to help you so much. Another hair mask that is just as good is the Sauce Guacamole Whip Mask. They did change the packaging on this, but it is the same mask that everyone loves. So good if you have dry hair. Another really good product for hair growth is the Rosemary Mint Oil. You guys made this sell out so many times, but if you didn't know, they also have a light version and it works just as good. I like to use the oil in the morning of wash day and then wash it off with the shampoo at the end of the day. I do find they work best when you use them together. And last but not least, the orange heat protector from Beyond the Zone is one of the best heat protectors we carry. So it's no surprise that it's gone viral so many times. It's definitely a game changer if you want to go for that silky straight look.